Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to play Freedom by Pharrell Williams on piano. Let's begin by mastering the core chord progression. You'll primarily use 4 chords: C major, G major, A minor, and F major. Practice transitioning smoothly between these. For example, move from C to G, then to A minor, and finally to F. Repeat this sequence until it feels natural and fluid under your fingers. This foundation is key to unlocking the entire song. Next, let's establish the infectious rhythm that drives freedom. Your left hand will be crucial here, providing a steady foundation. Focus on playing a simple bass line, often just the root note of each chord, in an 8th note pattern. This creates the song's signature groove. Practice with a metronome to ensure you maintain a consistent tempo, perhaps starting at around 100 beats per minute and gradually increasing. A solid rhythmic bass makes all the difference. Now, let's bring the melody to life with your right hand. The main vocal line is quite catchy and syncopated, so pay close attention to its rhythmic feel. You can also add simple harmonies, perhaps playing a 3rd or a 5th above the melody note to make it sound fuller. For instance, when the melody hits a C, you might add an E or G below it. This layering adds depth and richness to your performance, capturing the song's vibrant energy. Finally, it's time to combine both hands. Start very slowly, practicing each section separately before linking them together. Once you're comfortable, gradually increase your tempo. Don't forget to incorporate dynamic shifts. Playing some parts louder and others softer adds significant expression. Aim for a performance that feels both powerful and nuanced. Consistent practice, even for just 15 minutes a day, will help you master freedom and play it with confidence and flair.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.